Not once did I ever anticipate the Amex Platinum card becoming my gas discount card, but here we are today, and it definitely did exactly that. So let me show you how it all works, so that way you can save up to 10 cents per gallon on your next gas trip. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and their rewards all in one place, and to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more. All right, so first let's do away with a little bit of confusion that we probably all have right now. If you swipe this card at the pump, it will not earn gas rewards because there's no gas multiplier as a rewards category. And unless there's an Amex offer specifically for a limited time to give you a discount on gas, it also has no gas benefits like credits or anything like that. However, it's one of the newer benefits, the Walmart Plus membership, that will help you get those gas savings. So to start, let's talk about the Walmart American Express partnership and how it all plays into the Amex Platinum card. Walmart is of course a massive retailer, and Walmart Plus is a subscription service and a competitor to the Amazon Prime membership that offers free shipping, scan and go, prescription discounts, fuel discounts, and more, all included with the membership. Currently is priced at $12.95 per month plus tax. Now recently, two new fuel partners were added to the Walmart Plus subscription service, namely Exxon and Mobil locations. The three prior or existing fuel partners were Walmart, Sam's Club, and Murphy. As for the discount itself, you can save up to 10 cents per gallon at participating locations. It's typically 5 cents to 10 cents per gallon of savings, and right now as I record this, the Exxon and Mobil locations are offering 10 cents. And here's how this all ties together with American Express. Walmart Plus is included with the Amex Platinum card. That is the monthly plan option only. In other words, Amex will actually reimburse you for the monthly membership fee for the Walmart Plus subscription. So I'll talk about that more at the end and how to get it all reimbursed and what you have to do. But first, let's talk about the benefit itself and how to get those gas savings. There are actually a couple different methods here for how this all works. So we'll start, of course, with method one. Step one is to sign up for the Walmart Plus membership. Number two, download the current version of the Walmart app onto your phone. 3, enable location services. 4, drive to an Exxon or Mobil gas station and open the app. It will then identify that you're at a participating location automatically. 5, enter your pump number. 6, select your method of payment. And 7, pump gas as you normally would. The discount will be automatically applied. So naturally, I had to try this myself out there in the real world and document my journey along the way for all of you to see, that we'll know exactly how it works from a visual and real life perspective. So here's what happened. As we go through the different screen flows here, I've labeled each one 1, 2, 3, etc. That we can see the exact order that this all works in and also follow along as I talk about this. So starting with screenshot number 1, what I did here was simply drive to an Exxon/Mobil location and open up the Walmart app as soon as I arrived, with location services already enabled. From the moment the app opened, I saw this little pop-up window there at the bottom that says ready to fuel up. Get pumping at Exxon. It then showed me the Walmart Plus member benefit, and highlighted there in the red box, it says fuel up for less. Save 10 cents per gallon at this fuel location. So I tapped on that, and then it brought me to the next screen, which was number 2 here. It shows you the location with the address. This was one of the gas stations out there in Capel, Texas. And then it prompts me for my fuel pump number. I was at pump number 2, so I entered that and then went on to screenshot number 3. This is where it prompts you to enter your method of payment. So if you already had a card that you wanted to use on file, you can simply select it there. I didn't. In fact, I had an old card that was no longer working on my account. So fortunately, it does give you a link there to change payments and add one right there on the spot. I selected that, and then it brought me to screenshot number 4 here, where it says select one card to pay at the pump. You'll then see the various cards that you may have on file, or you can add a new payment method as I did by selecting that pill-shaped icon right there in red with the red arrow. So I tapped on that, entered all my card details and billing address, stuff like that, and then saved it to my profile. And then the next screen after that shows me I'm now paying with my new Visa card that I entered there, which was actually my World of Hyatt card. Once I was through with that, I then selected the continue with this card option there at the bottom boxed in red and was brought to the next screen. And that couldn't have been any easier. It just prompted me to select the grade and begin fueling at the pump. In fact, the screen on the pump itself automatically switched over to say remove nozzle, then push button below to select fuel grade, which was pretty cool because I was like controlling the pump from my mobile device through the Walmart app. And that's the same screen that you would see normally if you had inserted your card or something like that. And if you're curious about those fuel prices, well, those automatically switched over as well. Here are a couple screenshots of the before and after pricing. The before is on the left for the 93 premium grade that I use for my car. It was $4.59 normally, and then once that screen switched over from using the Walmart Plus app, and then decreased by 10 cents per gallon, so $4.49. From there, I simply removed the nozzle and started filling up as usual, and then at that point, the Walmart app automatically switched over to identify what I was doing. Looking at screenshot number 7 here, it said that fueling is in progress. And once that was done, I then received a push notification at the top of my screen, which said fueling completed. And then placing the nozzle back on the pump, I received my auto-generated receipt there at screenshot number 9, showing me that I saved $1.54 there at the top boxed in red, along with my receipt details there with the fuel grade, how many gallons I used, the price per gallon including the discount, the card that I used to pay, and the total amount that was charged, plus the transaction ID. And then I got really curious. Since I was controlling this whole experience through the Walmart app, I was wondering if this would bill as a Walmart charge or as a gas charge. So I pulled up the Chase mobile app, viewed my World of Hyatt card, which I used for this transaction, and it did show Exxon/7-Eleven, so it was pending as a gas charge, not as a Walmart charge. And that very likely means that two things probably came to your mind right there. First of which is that you likely want to use a gas card for your transactions using this Walmart Plus experience. Because if you have a card that earns 3, 4, 5x points or 3, 4, 5% cashback, that will likely be your best choice. And number 2, which follows from that, you don't have to use your Amex Platinum card to make the charge. You simply have to have that Amex Platinum card on file with your Walmart Plus account and have it set as your default method of payment for your regular monthly charges for that membership. But when you're at the pump, remember you can select your actual payment method and choose a different card. And by the way, if you already have the Amex Platinum card in your wallet, it's probably not the only card in your wallet. You likely use it alongside with other cards that have better rewards for other multipliers, especially gas. So if you're looking for a really easy way to manage multiple cards, multiple reward systems, and more, definitely check out the app MAXREWARDS. It's a fantastic all-in-one app that's extremely easy to use to help you manage all of your credit card accounts and their rewards programs, plus monitoring your credit scores, utilization, and a whole lot more. It also shows you all the purchases you made across all of your cards in one dashboard and helps you identify the best card to use for the specific rewards category. And the gold level unlocks even more features like activating your quarterly spend categories, your Amex and Chase offers, and a whole lot more, so definitely check that out as well. So if you want to make managing your credit cards a whole lot easier, definitely check out the link down below in the description area. That gold level will be unlocked for free for your entire first month. Beyond that, you can choose if you want to pay for it going forward. Otherwise, use all the free features, and those work very well too. All right, now on to method number 2 of how to use this benefit at the pump. The first couple steps are identical. Simply sign up for a Walmart Plus membership and download the current version of the Walmart app. Then once you drive to an Exxon Mobil gas station, select the Services tab inside the Walmart app. That's part of the menu at the bottom. I'll show you that in just a moment. And once you're on that tab, choose the Member Prices on Fuel option. And from there, you can scan the QR code on the pump. Then select your method of payment and pump gas as usual. Once again, that discount being automatically applied. So here's the overall screen flow for method number 2. With number 1 being simply opening the app and then locating that Services tab there at the bottom of your screen that I boxed in red. Once you tap on that, you'll then see the next option for Member Prices on Fuel. Then tapping on that will lead you to the integrated camera mode to scan the QR code. And by the way, if you're at a Murphy fuel location, it'll show you the ID that you can use instead there at the bottom of the screen. And for another visual from the real world, here's my pump number 2, where I've outlined in a red circle the QR code right there. So again, simply scan that and it will then prompt you and guide you through the rest of the process. A nice straightforward process to be sure, but of course it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to save $1 or $2 on your gas if you're paying $12.95 for your membership. So now let's talk about how this card right here can reimburse you for the cost of that Walmart Plus membership. If you haven't signed up already, step 1 is to go to walmart.com/plus/Amex Platinum. And step 2 will of course be to sign up for the Walmart Plus monthly membership, not yearly, because that one will not work. And by the way, if you're an existing Walmart Plus member, simply set the Amex Platinum card as your payment method in the app. Basically your default, the one that will be billed for those monthly fees. If you have an annual membership, you must switch it to monthly for this to work, because step number 3 is to charge that monthly membership cost to your Amex Platinum card. It will then be automatically identified by American Express in step number 4, where you'll receive a statement credit every month for the $12.95 plus tax. And to bring that more to life for you all, here's a screenshot from my Amex Mobil app with the Platinum card charge there on April 7th, boxed in red. That was my monthly charge for the Walmart Plus monthly membership. It was $12.95 plus tax. So for me, that was $1 of tax, so $13.95 all in. And then about a day later, I saw the Walmart Plus monthly statement credit come through for minus $13.95. Normally that takes a few days. As you saw for me there, it was about 24 hours, but it could be up to 6 to 8 weeks in case there are any delays. And that's all there is to it. I know there were quite a few steps there and a couple different methods, so if any part of that confused you whatsoever, simply just go do it yourself and you'll see how easy it is with a real life hands-on experience. I'd say that a few helpful tips though would really make this go a lot smoother. Number 1, sign up for the Walmart Plus membership before you go to the pump. Number 2, download the Walmart app before you go to the pump. Number 3, log in for the first time with your email, username, and password before you go to the pump. And number 4, add your method of payment to the app before you go to the pump. And that will likely mean adding 2 payment methods to your account. The first one being the Amex Platinum card to reimburse you for your monthly membership dues. And number 2 would be your gas method or gas card that you want to use to earn your rewards if it's not the Platinum card to begin with. All of that is one-time setup stuff. So you want to take care of it before you go to the pump. That way you're not sitting in your car trying to figure it all out for the first time and having your 20-minute pump fill-up session. Because that way when you pull up to the station and open up the Walmart app, all the prompts and the flow will guide you through the entire process very seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about anything. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and their rewards all in one place, and to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more. I thank you all for watching today's video. Hope it brought you some great value and some nice new savings on gas. For those of you who fill up at Exxon/Mobil locations, of course, those may not have the best prices in the whole nation. So of course, if you normally fill up at Costco or somewhere else and get a lower price, then you might still want to go with that. But overall, if you do shop at Exxon or Mobil, or it happens to be near you and your tank is really low and you need gas right now, just keep this in the back of your mind at least, because it is a great way to save some money on those gas fill-ups whenever you need them. I look forward to seeing you in my future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.